Do you know that Allah is helping you? These are the 7 signs that show you are not alone. Allah always sends His help to His servants in countless ways, whether we realize it or not. Here are 7 signs that indicate Allah is helping you. 1. Feeling peace and contentment in your heart. When you face challenges or difficulties but still feel peace and contentment in your heart, it could be a sign of Allah's help. Allah says in the Quran, "Verily, in the remembrance of Allah, do hearts find rest." Surah Ar-Ra'd 28. 2. Finding a way out of difficult situations. If you face a complex problem or a tough test, and a solution emerges with Allah's help, it's a clear sign that Allah is helping you. 3. Acceptance of your prayers, du'as. When you ask Allah for something and your prayers are accepted, or the path becomes easier for you, it reflects Allah's mercy and help. 4. Receiving help through others. Sometimes Allah sends His help through other people, be it someone who aids you in times of need or solves your problems. 5. Staying away from sins. When you succeed in avoiding sins and Allah's guidance illuminates your way, it's a sign of His support and mercy. 6. Positive thoughts and good intentions. If your heart is filled with good thoughts and you always wish well for others, this is a sign of Allah's guidance and help in your life. 7. Improvement. After hardships. When you face trials, and by Allah's grace, they are resolved, or your circumstances improve, it's a testament to Allah's help and blessings.